that this number will increase as we continue to look for people who are still missing and unaccounted for.
We climbed up on the roof and waited until the creek went down a bit, and then we climbed off the roof and got to our neighbor's garage, and we just got pulled out of there by the firefighters now. But he's been out rescuing neighbors. And
we saw us cleaning the drains, and I heard the rumble of the rocks, and I looked over at the river, and the trees were just coming down, choo, choo, choo. And we ran into the house, and right then the boulders busted through our house, and we got upstairs, and it got up to
We had a very difficult time assessing the area and responding to many of those areas to assist those people. The only words I can really think of to describe what it looked like was it looked like a World War I battlefield.